In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Telegram app to save space on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Telegram application and then on the bottom right hit on Settings. Then tap Add Data and Storage, and here at the top select Storage Usage, where you can set up storage usage of your Telegram application. The first thing that you can set up calls Keep Media. It means that photos, videos and other files from cloud chats that you have not accessed during that period will be removed from this device to save disk space. So you can just set this option to 1 week, 1 month or 3 days to automatically remove a photo and video from your disk space. Also, here you can set up maximum cache size. For me is now set to no limit, but I can limit it for 20 GB or to 5 GB, and this option limits cache size for that application. Also, you can scroll down for a bit, and here you can find all chats that are sorted by reducing space that this chat taken on your disk space. The biggest sized chats will be on the first position, and you can clear cache for some specific chat. Just swipe to the left and select Clear, and you can do it for any chats that you want. And also right here you can clear all Telegram cache. Just tap at Clear Telegram cache to clear cache from all the chats, and here you can select which types of content will be cleared: photos, videos, music, files and other. I will left all check marks on and then hit Add Clear. That's it, I have just cleared all the cache on my Telegram application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.